What we got going on today, we clean up David Ranger so we can go pick up me new bike for Flippy. And Sean working on new piece of shit, try to figure out issue. Look at where Fish is making the crippled kid sit.
Crippled my ass. We can treat you like a crippled kid.
What do you mean by that?
I can't barely get back here.
I came in a wheelchair.
No.
Get along.
Check the seatbelt out. Bro, I'm about to get smacked in the face by Davy's seat. Where the hell is it? Yeah, check it out. I'm not wearing this the whole time, just so y'all know. I'm just
why you put it on.
Show YouTube this little sideways seat and this little fucking Ranger cab.
A few minutes later.
The DS80, babe. KJ looked like he was ready to ride that bitch. You guys look like you were dressed for the occasion. Well, you got the shirt that matches the bike.
John Deere green.
And he's got the helmet, the shoes, and the whole fit that matches your bike. Bike's about as big as he is.
I will bust my ass.
Oh yeah, he's nice with it. This bike's not the straightest of things because he wrecked it in Poconos like last year, but broke his collarbone and shit.
I only laid it down once.
But if you put him on a mini bike or something like that, the boy will be macking it all the way home. Coot's barking because he don't like the bike. It doesn't even run right now. But this is the before. We're about to give her a good cleaning. What is it, David? The 50, right?
Yeah, TTR 50.
TTR 50. Yup. Dirty as a bitch. Not even going to really do a good cleaning. We're just going to power wash it. Motherfucker is washing me now. The fuck? See if you get to the back of that nameplate, that number plate. Don't mind the lines when you jump to the back. Nope, still didn't get it. What year is this thing, do you know?
Fuck no.
Never even checked out the VIN or anything. Davy's fucking... Is this the newest pickup?
I've had it for a while.
Mm-hmm. After he's done dogging the chips in his mouth, he's gonna give us the old
You already
review.
started it?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we got a motherfucking, it's like a 2000 TTR 50 with a Red Baron +1 extended frame. We got BBR SP5 forks on the front with billet aluminum triple tree, BBR bars, throttle. We got a BBR swing arm. I believe it's +1 or +2. GYTR dress-up kit all the way around between the brake pedal, the pegs, the exhausted GYTR, GYTR dress-up kit over here. It's got a GYTR race head on it with an 88 kit. GYTR chain slider, GYTR skid plate, BBR shifter.
That thing's cool because it's got like a purple in the.
It had a red tip on it.
Red, but now it's like purple. Like
now it's got
neon.
It's got a BBR Motorsports seat, GYTR graphics, GYTR tappets. It's got BBR rims. Where's it at? On this side. It's got a set of BBR 10-inch rims all the way around. That's pretty much it.
The Dunlops.
Startup video for you here soon.
Like that, David brought the 50 over that he grabbed not too long ago, and we pulled the TTR out.
But anyway, the valve set screw came out, so the valve wasn't open. He got lost in the head, so we had to tear the top end apart. Then we found rust in the cylinder. Then we had to hone it, and then we fucking put it all back together, and she runs.
And the pec top.
Yeah, so we just got a little bit more work to do, and she's a ripper. And this is a stock 50 with a 5.0 race, or I'm at 5.0 dress-up kit on it. Bone stock. Cut and polish this. A little shitty at the moment. Two Brothers seat, Two Brothers gas cap, and a Joker triple tree with street tires.
I smell gas, dude.
Let's get a little montage going on, Cameron. Gotta let some air out the tire, he said. The tires are way too uneven.
You need a fucking gauge.
Yeah.
That fucking thumb throttle's hard.
David's gonna like this. I don't think he thought about it.
Dude, it's like these bikes were meant to be together. What the fuck? This is insane. I didn't even think about this. I'm just storing David's unit for now. But now I'm ready to fucking steal it from him. It's been here 30 days. The fuck? Oh my goodness.
I'm based on David. See if he liked it.